MXGP Race 1, get everybody through those first couple of corners though. That is the key to this one. Febvre takes over the lead. Romain Febvre finally wins at Lommel, the toughest place on earth.
I present you the new MX14 sand and mud tire, developing from the last few years with the Pro Rider, where we increase the traction, we increase performance in sand, in mud, grip on start, straight and exit of the corner. We improve braking performance with RST, reinforced scoop technology. The knobs height increased by 18%, less knob flexibility, better absorption. Damping helps to maintain traction achieved through optimized sidewall flex. This is the new MX14.